Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and make sure that you're on the photo mode, so for example on this manual or the superior one. Now we can enter the settings, and as you can see on the very first position we've got the self timer, so let's tap on it. And here we've got 4 different options from which you can choose. Right now we've got the off option, but we can set also half of the second, 2 seconds and 10 seconds. So let me pick this option. All you have to do is simply tap on it. As you can see, it immediately changes right here, so we can go back to the camera. What's more, on the shutter button we've got the notification, we've got new icon which will announce us, which will notify us that we've got the timer set. So let me tap on it, and as you can see right now this device will count down from 10 in my case, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. So let me pick, for example, 2 seconds, and let's get back in the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 2. We can also turn it off completely, just like it was defaultly set, and right now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.